Sensitivity Awardee for last year's Mixcast 2024. So, introduce yourself and how's the feeling po to be here on stage again?
Hi, good evening, castmates. It's really nice to be here to stand again on this platform after a year of a really nerve-wracking performance and experience last year. And I can really see other candidates experiencing what we have been through last year na pinaspasan siya ng tanan, like sa mga dances. And I can really see the enthusiasm, not just the candidates and also sa ilahang mga supporters that really kanang ma-feel siya din mo ilahang kanang enthusiasm, the way they shout, the way they cheer sa ilahang mga candidates. And I'm really happy for that.
Wow, abinaw na minaw po ka ng pang Miss Universe, Miss Picate. And know that Miss Picate is an advocate for gender equality. And what was your message for this mixed cast?
I'm really happy and thankful, grateful to the College of Arts and Sciences Student Council for having this activity, especially if I'm not mistaken, it started last year, that we have opened a pageant, a platform that is open to all gender, where we can showcase, you know, our advocacies, that it is not only to one gender, but because to start an inclusive society is to start accepting each one of us, and that step start within us. Start with respect and understanding. That's where inclusivity will begin.
Napatulala dyan ko. Amazing. All I can say is so very amazing. Thank you so much, Miss Rich Picate.